Hey everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick update on the gradebook. Many of you have been able to get into the gradebook in Schoology, which is awesome. And I know that I posted something earlier that this is a work in progress, so please hang tight. More information is coming your way about our different grading categories, what that means, what that looks like. It's going to be very similar to what happened at your homeschool. We're just working out a few things on our end on Schoology to make sure it makes sense to you, all right? So your goal right now is to go through and see if you have anything missing. If you do, please come to office hours as soon as you can, and that way we can go through that missing work together. If you have done missing work already, that's fantastic. Unfortunately, I don't know that. It does not tell me when you've turned in late work. So what I need from you is I need you to come to office hours and say, hey, Miss Allison, here is what I've done. I can check your work with you right there in real time. I can update the gradebook with you right there in real time, and you will be on your way and things will be great, okay? So if you have missing work that you have completed, come see me in office hours. If you have missing work you have questions on, come see me in office hours. Really, office hours is the answer here. Make sure you're coming there and seeing me so we can get that taken care of. Just a quick reminder, office hours are every day except Wednesdays, and the office hours link is right here on Schoology. Sometimes more updates come as the week goes on, so you need to scroll down a little bit more, okay? I hope that clears up our questions on missing work for now, and like I said, more information is to come on our grading system. It's very similar to what we've done, so don't freak out about it. Right now, your goal is, do I have my work turned in? And we'll go from there. All right, guys, thank you so much.